To automatically open links from other apps in the Internet App Secret Mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Internet App. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting. Tap Personal Browsing Data. Tap Secret Mode Setting, and then tap the gray on-off switch next to open links from other apps in secret mode until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, when you are in the secret mode and you open a link from other app, instead of opening that link in the regular browser mode, you will be redirected automatically to open the link in the secret mode. However, if you have set a password for the secret mode, you need to enter the password before you can open the link. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.